Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are good and staying safe and healthy at your homes. We are here to continue our lesson of calendars from where we have left earlier. This is day 2 of week 5. Let's go to page number 57 and 58 of your social studies book. But before proceeding any further, we need to recall the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, we discussed what is a calendar and why do we use it. So calendar is basically a chart of series of pages showing the days, weeks and months of a particular year or giving particular seasonal information. Calendars tell us the year, the date of the month and the day of the week. Today we are going to discuss in detail the types of calendars being used in Pakistan. There are two types of calendars used in Pakistan. Number 1, Gregorian calendar. Number 2, Islamic calendar. Firstly, we need to discuss in detail Gregorian calendar. The Gregorian calendar is the Christian calendar. It is used in most parts of the world. It starts from the time when Jesus Christ, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, was born. It is based on the earth's rotation around the sun. There are two abbreviations being used in Gregorian calendar, BCE. The years before the month of Christ have BCE written after them, which means before Common Era. CE. The years after the birth of Christ have CE written with them, which means Common Era. The Gregorian calendar is solar calendar. And why do we call it a solar calendar? Because it is based on the time it takes for the earth to go around the sun. It has 365 days, which means 1 year. Every 4th year, 1 day is added to February, 29th February, making it a total of 366 days, which is called a leap year. In the Gregorian calendar, there are 12 months. Let's count them. Say these months along with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. The second one is Islamic calendar. The Islamic calendar is also called lunar calendar. It dates from 622 CE. This was the year in which the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, made his journey from Mecca to Medina. This journey is called Hijrah. The Islamic calendar is therefore also called Hijri calendar. It has 12 months. Let us say these months all together. Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Sani, Jamadiul Awwal, Jamadiul Sani, Rajab, Shaban, Ramazan, Shawwal, Zikat and Zilhajj. The total number of days in the Islamic year is 354. It depends on the time it takes for the moon to orbit the earth. That is why it is also called the lunar calendar. The length of the Islamic calendar is shorter than the Gregorian calendar. There are different calendars around the world. Calendars were made by ancient peoples too. This was done by observing the movement of stars and planets and keeping records of the seasons. Some countries today, like China and India, use their own calendars for religious events, along with the Gregorian calendar for day-to-day business. So that was a little information about calendars, and I hope that by now you all know that there are two types of calendars being used in Pakistan. The first one is Gregorian calendar and the second one is Islamic calendar. Both of these calendars go hand in hand. That's all for today. Thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, we'll meet next time. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.